Alright. Nonogram! 15 by 15 now. Alright, so I think the best one is going to be this 2 9. So 1, 2, space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's going to be a marker. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are going to be marker. Now you might be wondering, why am I saying those are guaranteed? Well, the 2, if these were the 2 in the space, that would mean the 9 would go as far as here. Now what this is saying here is 9 can go as far as here, and then space, and then we got all this space for the 2. No matter what, everything in between will always be there. Is there another? And then of course, I don't know how far it's going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, space 1, 2. See? So for now, that's all we got. Now we got an 8. Is that 8 going to be enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Interesting. I think no matter what, that's what 7 is going to be, but 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, space. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I can't fill this yet. The reason being is because I got 3, 3, 2. I could go 1, 2, 3, space. 1, 2, 3, or move it down 1, and then this could have been the space. So we can't fill that in yet. 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 4, space. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now this is the unique one. This is what we need. A 2, 2, x, 9, which means that's part of it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Big red X, and then 2 is somewhere up there. Alright, not much I can work on that. Okay, I got a 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And got the 2 down there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are guaranteed. This is not. Now looking at this guy in specific, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a problem because the first one is a 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then this has to be an X. Now here's the next issue. 1, 2, 3, 4. These cannot be part of the same. This is an X. Boom, boom. This is a 4. Okay. This is an X. 1, 2, 3. So that's a guaranteed 1. Ooh, this could be a 2 though. So we can't X anything off on that yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. So those are guaranteed to be part. And look at that, we got 3. So boom, boom. Interesting. Okay. 6, 2, 1. 1, 2, 4, 6. You're not part of it. This is where the 6 ends. 1 space 1 2 space 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's part of the 6. Then wherever it goes from there is wherever it wants to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space. So this is either part of the 5 or the 2. 4, so 5, 6. I have only 3. Spacer. And we gotta have a 3, 3, 2. Well, because of this spacer, this has to be one of the 3s. And this can't go down there, so that's a 3, 2 right there. 2. So there's a 3 up here, which we don't know where it starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, space 2. Oh my gosh, if I knew that, I would have done this. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. That one was probably the best one we could have got. That's when 3 digits equals 13. So 11's not really helpful. 9. That's 11. Could I abuse this? Well, this is obviously part of the 5, so if it's 1 digit away, this is as far as it can go. 8 could reach all the way there. 7 can reach all the way there. This is obviously part of the 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X, 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 X. And 1's somewhere in this mess. This is 3, 3, 3. And while down here, you can't really put another set of 3s. So, X, X. There, we got a 7. Oh, and we have the 4. Get rid of this part. We got 7, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's guaranteed. I got the first of a 1. Second of a 1. Could this be 2 space 1, 2, 3 space? It could be a 2, 3, 3 there. So I can't do much on that either. There is a 1 down here. And we don't know if this is part of the 7, so we can't work with much on that. Okay, this one's only a 3, and look at that. We got 2. So, all this gets marked off. Now there's a 7. Well, 7 is greater than 4. That's a 5. Well, that's greater than 4. That, a 2, that's fine. A 1, that's fine. A 2, that's fine. A 3, that's fine. 2, 2, 3, 3, and 4. Another 1 down here. So 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are X's. We got 1 there. There's 7. They're X's. Got 1 there and a 1 there, but it's not enough. This is a 3, 7, so that's 3. 5, 6, 7. That goes as an X. I don't know why, but that's how it goes. I meant why. I meant like why I didn't notice it. Phew. 7 ones. That's gone. That's a 3, and that's a 3. Or 2. Yeah, this has to be a 3 now. So that's an X. One of these is it. I got 3 of the 4 ones done. One of these make 3. That could be part of it too, so I gotta be careful. There is a 2 here. 5, so this is an X. This is an X. This is an X. 1, 1. So the 2 is there. Not it. Or my 3. Part of my 2. 1, 1, 2. 6. Part of 6. Part of 2. There's the 1. So this is not it. This is it. 1, 4, 1. So the 1 is somewhere way up there. That's a 1, 6. 5. So this is 6. 2. That. And then this is the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With the 3. That's a 3. That's a 3. That's a 2. There's just a 2 somewhere there. That's a 3 going to a 2. Well, can't have it on a single spot. There's a 1 somewhere here. 1, 1. So 2 can't go up here. 2. Well, you can't be a 2. Be a 1. You can't be a 2. You can't be a 5. There's no way. 1 is anywhere there. Part of the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. And then that can't be part of it. This is part of it. That's now 2. There's 2 over there. Out. All the fakes. There is no 1 on this part. 3. One of those make the 2. But there is no answer there. This is a 3. A 2. Connected to an 8. 4 somewhere. None. This part of the 4. So 1, 2. I better not do that. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all this is part of this 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Look at that. We got a 2 followed by the 9. This is a 3. That's part of a 3. So there is a 2 up there somewhere. This is a 2. So it's not there. So that means this is part of my 2. Here's my 5. That's gone, that's gone, that's gone. This is part of a 3. Part of a 3. 6, 3, 4, the 5, 7, 2. That makes that an 8. This is a 4, 3. And this is a 4, 1. Woo! That is an interesting puzzle for sure.